Hey everyone, Salesforce Shorts here. Today we're just going to talk about how to create a remote site setting. So if you are creating a call out, you would normally need to create a remote site setting as well with it. So what that basically means is this URL, you need to copy that, go into setup inside of Salesforce, and then type remote site settings. And then just click new remote site. Then you can just name this pretty much whatever you want. Probably try and name it something to do with your request. I'll just call this sample get request for now. And then paste in your URL there at the top. It's probably best to leave this unchecked. This is more for security, so leave that unchecked. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So you can put in a description if you need, then just hit save. So yeah, if you get an error inside of your Apex because of that, this should fix it. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and check out our other videos.